Hi guys, I was gifted this fan from the seller so I could show you all its cool features. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box and start the installation process. Okay, here it is outside of the box. This is a 54-inch ceiling fan with a light. Let's go ahead and read this instruction manual. I like to put fans together down on the ground and then hang them up on the hanger. So I'll probably follow that same install process here, and you guys can just watch along. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put this together. I will fast forward the video so it's not too long for you guys. I do like this fan because it does have two ways to control it. You have the regular remote control, and you also have the mobile app that uses the Fan Lamp Pro app. That is a free app. There is a QR code in the instruction manual that you scan, and then you just download the app and it'll sync up. Okay guys, I got the mounting plate all wired up here, and you just put this on the hook here, so then it'll keep it safe while you're wiring it up. There's a little hook right there. There is detailed information videos are available on the product purchase link homepage, or you may contact the after sales email in the manual. The after sales team can send installation videos to assist with usage issues. Okay, we got it all turned on now. Let's check out this remote. So there's an all off button that will turn everything off. If you want to turn it on, we'll click the on button here. It also has Wi-Fi, so you can control this through an app. So that's pretty cool. Let's see. There is different light modes. So there's different light colors, as you can see. It's more of an orange. Yeah, there's your blue. More of one that's like white, and then orange. You can also do different brightnesses with it. So if you want to dim it down, you can. Or if you want to dim it up. Let's check out these different fan speeds here. So this is 1. And there's 2. Three, 4, 5, and 6. Let's bring it all the way up to 6. See what kind of fan movement we got here. Oh yeah, it's blowing some air. A lot of air. Oh yeah, this is going to be great. It also has like a sleep timer on here, and there's all kinds of features in this fan. You're just going to love it. So if you guys are in the market for a fan, go ahead and get this one. You saw how I installed it. It was pretty easy, straightforward. The instructions were great. So go ahead and get this one. Thanks.